Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that recall token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, recall is a decentralized skill market where communities funds rank and discover AI solutions that meet their needs. Recall creates transparent, verifiable reputation infrastructure for AI agent economy through economic coordination and performance based evaluation. Recall token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies around 201.07 million. Recall token is listed on Bybit, Coinbase, Binance Alpha and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.